Hi, customer engagement team. I hope you are all doing well. A lot of you have reached out to me because there's a different look for the InTouch system, and you're asking me what happened to that notes and history section and how can I update that client now. So let's take a quick look. Simply log into the dashboard in InTouch. Find the client that you're looking to update. In this instance, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on my name. Seems like a nice guy to update. And you'll see the look and feel is a little bit different here. To add notes to this client, it's as easy as can be. You go to the right hand side and see where it says notes. Just click on that button, type in your notes, and hit save. That note will save, and that will count as an update for this client. It will get that lead out of red, and that note has been updated. Make sure your notes are accurate as usual and on time so you can keep getting those leads. That's it for now. Until next time, have a good one.